I think the final thing definitely is that you have immense capabilities. Please don't tell yourself that you're not made for this or you're not made for that. You're made for everything that you really want to do. So no caps, okay? That I can't do this, I can't do that. Second, you are allowed to make mistakes. So many of you are so scared of making mistakes. You are not perfect, you're work in progress. We all are work in progress. And that's the best thing to be in. People who think they are perfect, they start to have a downfall. Right? So we all have to know that we are work in progress, and the only way we improve is by making mistakes. So you're allowed to make as many mistakes as possible before your exams. The idea is to learn from them and not repeat them. Yes, so please don't be scared or demotivated after you give a test. You have to change your perspective. You have to tell yourself, only if I do this, I will get to know where I spend my time. Yes, and at your level, in fact at any level in life, what is the most important investment? Time and energy. Because we have limited amounts. We should always put it where we can reap maximum benefits. So spend your time and energy on areas which will tell you where to work, what topics to revise. Yes, so that your number of correct questions improves. If you don't do that, what will happen? You will plateau. Somebody will plateau at 120, somebody at 130, somebody at 140 and so on. But you will all plateau. If you really want to move, change your level, then what you have to do is identify your mistakes. Second thing, or maybe the last one, you started really hard today, yes, and yesterday as well, and you'll do it tomorrow as well. Does it come to your mind that why am I doing this? Yes, I'm sure it must have come across at least once. Why I cannot just go and sleep? Why can I just not enjoy it like someone else? Why can't instead of this not go to a theater, right? So there is this why that time and again comes back to us. So do you know why are we doing this? Why are we working so hard? I mean, there is always an option not to do it, right? There is no compulsion. But why are we still doing it when there is no compulsion? Because we want to lead a life where we make choices. Yes? So when you do this, you make more choices for you. You decide, okay, I want to do this branch in this college or this thing. So which means, who has the remote control of your life? You yourself. The moment you don't do that, the other people start telling you. So very often I give this example, right? Girls come to me and say that my parents are saying, you didn't crack the exam once, get married, settle down in life. So suddenly, you are no longer the one deciding what you want to do with your life. You have given the remote control of your life to someone else. It happens to boys also. In different formats maybe. They are told, forget PG, just do an MO-ship, take a job somewhere, start earning. Right? There are different burdens on girls as well as boys. So which means suddenly the biggest virtue of human life is freedom. I mean, COVID came and what hit us hard was we couldn't go out of our house. And that time we felt it was all collapsing. I mean, you can't do what you want to do. So why we are doing all these efforts is to keep the remote control of our life in our hand. And suddenly you realize when you make those choices, your decisions, the very other important thing that comes to you is no regrets. And I think that is what Dr. Sumir always says. In life, we succeed, we will win some, we will lose some. But at least we should have no regrets. I don't have a regret. I traveled, I was equally active with you. I absolutely thoroughly enjoyed every bit of it. Because I was feeling deep down, yes, I am giving them what they deserve. Yes, which is what I was here for. You know, even if I miss one point, it leaves me with regret. Oh, I didn't tell them this. It's a lot of pressure. Right? So similarly, We are doing all this, number one, to create choices, to have the remote control of our life back in our hands, and to have no regrets. To lead a life where we are doing what we want to do. Earning money, less money, more money, A car, B car, that is all different for different people. It comes, and in different phases of life, different things will mean different to you. So our goal has to be, we should have no regrets. We should go all out, leave everything else to Almighty. There is a higher power who is looking over all of us, taking care of all of us. Yes, and you have to have that faith that His plan is always, again, something that Dr. Sumay says, His plan is always bigger than our plan. And somehow it's always right. In the end, all those pieces actually meet and they make a beautiful story at the end. And then you can say, this is the story of my life. I was the hero in it. Yes? Do you want to be the hero and the heroine? Yes or no? Yes. Right? We all want to be Rashmika. Okay. Yes. So, yeah. So, we need to be the lead actors and lead actresses in the story of our life. That's where it matters. Yes? So, on that note, I am going to leave you with my best wishes for all your upcoming exams. I won't say this one or that one. I want you to excel in each one of them. I want you to tell yourself that I will never say this is not meant for me. Everything in the world is meant for you. You go and get it. Yes, everything is out there in the universe. It's how much you are willing to accept. If I stand like this, okay, I already have this, I don't need anything, I will not get anything. I dream and I believe I can receive more, and I open my hands and I get so much more that I probably didn't know I could get in my life. Yes? So you all have immense opportunities, immense good luck, immense success for all of you. But in this journey of success and making something more and bigger in your life, don't forget your health. Okay? Your physical health, your mental health, both are very important. Only when we are doing well in life will we think of giving our best. Otherwise, we can't. So don't ignore. If you can't study today and you're not well, it is absolutely okay to take a break. You're not doing anything wrong. Be kind to yourself. You're so kind to patients, but not even your relatives. So why not be kind to our own selves? So will you all promise to be kind to your own self? Don't judge. There are various forms of kindness. Don't judge yourself as one. Don't tell yourself that you're not capable or you have something less. Those are all forms of being kind to yourself. Right? So bring that small change and you will see the difference. So I leave you on that. Loads of love to all of you. It was an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much for making us a part of your journey, and we truly value the time that you're giving to us. Okay? Thank you. Are you very tired?